What's going on, everyone? My name is Chef Torrian Ferguson, and you are watching THTeaches, and today we'll be making zucchini rolls. All right, with the zucchini rolls, very simple. I know you see a lot of ingredients on the table, but you know what? Don't let that intimidate you. I got you. I'll walk you through this. All right, we have a large zucchini, cutting the strips lengthwise, maybe about a 1/16 of an inch. We have marinara, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, ground turkey, salt and pepper, canola oil, ricotta cheese, an Italian herb blend, chopped garlic, 2 fresh eggs, diced red peppers, green peppers, and onions. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start with our canola oil. Put that in the pan. Let that get a little warm on us there. All right, let that do its thing for a second. Then we're gonna go ahead and put in the diced peppers and onions. I love that sound when they start sizzling. Let you know you're doing something right in the world. All right, from here, add a little bit of chopped garlic. I like garlic. And I've already gone ahead and browned my ground turkey meat. So you just want to sweat these peppers and onions just a little bit. And you want to go ahead on, add the ground turkey meat in. Get those flavors mixed in, get them married, get them incorporated, all that good stuff. You want to make sure that you're not burning your garlic. So you got to keep an eye on it. Make sure you keep it tossed pretty good. Now you want to add in your salt and pepper and your Italian herb mix. I like to go just a little heavier on that than I do my salt and pepper. Oh, we smelling something good today. We are smelling something good. All right. All right, now that we got our ground meat all in the pan there and all worked together, we're gonna go ahead and take the marinara sauce. First thing we're gonna do is spread the marinara sauce in the bottom of our bacon pit. Okay, spread it around. All right, we're gonna come back for the rest of this. Okay, now we're gonna take them paper towels and you wanna dab the zucchini. Just to get all that moisture out of them, that salt. You'll see all the little water bubbles starting to pop up in them. You wanna go ahead and dab them pretty good. Get all that moisture out. Now, from here, you wanna go ahead on, you wanna grab your eggs. Throw your eggs in. You want to grab a little bit of your mozzarella cheese. Throw some of that in. I actually like to use cottage cheese in mine a little bit, but for this one, I'm gonna leave it out. I'm gonna throw the Parmesan cheese in, and we're going to add the ricotta. All right, we're gonna get this all a good mix. I say if you like ricotta cheese, go ahead and add more ricotta. You like more mozzarella, add more mozzarella. Pretty much your dish. All right, make it how you like it. All right, now that we have all of those ingredients incorporated, we're gonna take our zucchini slices. And you wanna take about, maybe about a teaspoon and a half, put it in the zucchini. Then you wanna go ahead and roll it, like so, and put in the pan. Gonna grab another one, and you're gonna do this until you fill up the entire pan. All right, so this may take you a little while. You make a little mess, so what? You're having fun, you're cooking for you and your family. Who cares about a mess? All right, go ahead and just roll her on up. Make sure she's tucked in real good. All right, now that we got our zucchini rolls in the pan, you wanna go ahead with your marinara sauce, the rest of that marinara sauce. You just wanna spread it on top of them. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Trust me, I wouldn't tell you no lie. Alright, we are rolling pretty good here. Make sure you cover up every zucchini roll, because the best is yet to come. It's gonna drizzle all down in there, all that goodness, all that good stuff in there. Now, you're gonna take the mozzarella cheese, the rest of that mozzarella I was telling you about, put it on top. That's right, that's right. She's starting to look like something, ain't she? She is looking like something. We're gonna let some of that mozzarella get down in the pan, all in that sauce that's down in between now. Gotta make sure the whole pan is happy. Every bit of it is happy. Now, you're gonna go back on top of that with the rest of that Parmesan. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We did something today. We did something today, y'all. This is ready to go in the oven. 350 degrees for just about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, through the magic of television, here we have it. All right, we baked it in the oven, 350 degrees for about 15, 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and dig into this thing and serve it up a little bit. Go ahead and dig all in there. We are looking good. A few zucchini rolls there. And there you have it. Those are your turkey and cheese stuffed zucchini rolls. And there you have it, folks. Again, you are watching THTV. I am Chef Torrian Ferguson, and I'll see you next time.